HTC Vive XR Elite, is it worth it? Is the HTC Vive XR Elite the next-gen VR headset you've been waiting for? Or does it fall short of expectations? Let's dive into the details. The HTC Vive XR Elite boasts impressive specs, high-resolution graphics, a wide field of view, and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It offers both standalone VR MR and PC VR capabilities. The inclusion of the Deluxe pack adds value with extra accessories. User reviews are mixed. Some praise its comfortable design, ease of setup, and smooth performance. Others cite concerns about visual quality and fit. Hand tracking receives mixed feedback, with some finding it intuitive, while others struggle with its responsiveness. At $890, the HTC Vive XR Elite positions itself as a premium device. Is it worth the investment? Consider its strengths and weaknesses against competitors like the Meta Quest 3 before making a decision. Check out the Amazon listing for more details. Ready to make an informed decision? Click the link to explore the HTC Vive XR Elite on Amazon, compare user reviews, and decide if this VR headset aligns with your tech needs and budget. Don't miss out on potentially upgrading your VR experience.